I feel like Commusoft is so helpful to me to make my job easier. To be fair, I think it only took about a week to grab the basics of how to use it, and then everything else you just learn as you go along. Hi, I'm Charlotte. I'm the installation administrator for Premier Heating, and I use Commusoft daily to work on the installation administration. The diary is a huge thing that I use daily to keep track of the engineers, and Alan, who is the installation manager, he's the surveyor as well. So he goes out doing all the surveys, which we use Commusoft to book all those in as well. So we use the estimate feature to then book in his survey to start off, and then follow it all the way through to send the quote out to the customer. And then Alan fills out information on there as well, and then we just feed it all back into Commusoft and create a quote through there. Once I've got the information that I need, putting it into Commusoft is really easy. Sometimes customers accept them within 5 minutes of them being sent out, and you see the acceptance come back on Commusoft in the notifications, and they've already accepted it and paid their deposit. So as soon as they paid their deposit, I'll then give the customer a call and say, like, thank you for accepting the quote. I'll run through with them how long we've estimated the quote will take. So some quotes 2 days to do an install, some quotes 2 weeks to do an install. And then I'll give them a call and look at the diary through Commusoft, see what engineers are available when they want to have it done, and then book the job on Commusoft for them, and then send them an email confirmation to say that it's all been booked in. And once the job's been booked on the diary, I use the diary event email to send it to them. They'll get the email to say that we're coming out, and it says on there who the engineer is going to be, what time we're going to be arriving, and what time we're going to be leaving each day, roughly. It has all the information on there of what we're going to do estimate-wise and what they've accepted. Elderly customers, sometimes they don't even have an email, so we'll use the letter option on Commusoft as well. So it'll print out a letter, and then it shows on Commusoft if anybody else looks at it and thinks you haven't done anything with this. It shows on there that the letter has been printed, so you know it's definitely been sent to them. And then once the job's all done and complete, then I'll send the invoice to the customer, and that's job done. Commusoft is so helpful to me to make my job easier. If we're really busy, it's brilliant to use, because like you say, if you've got engineers that are fully booked for weeks, then you're clicking on every single day, looking at every single engineer to see when there's a gap to be able to fit. And then you're looking at the previous job, scrolling over it to see, where's that? Is that anywhere near where this job is, to work out, and possibly even using Google Maps to think, that's there, we need to get to here, how far is it? Whereas Commusoft just brings it up straight away. For my job role personally, it saves a lot of time being able to use it. I used to be in a company where we would handwrite invoices and things, and everything would have to get scanned in onto the system, and the amount of time it takes compared to everything just being there and being able to do it. But yeah, I think it saves so much time.